This 2022 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 524 BBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Forest River is 28 feet 11 inches in length and features two slideouts, AUTUMN WOOD-MOJAVE interior, sleeps 4, microwave, Skylight, Colorado Detector, refrigerator, TV, water heater, spare tire kit, DVD player, LP detector, external shower, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 524 BBS is 7,950 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.